this is a resistograph in its box. Let's open the box up and see what's inside. First of all, the instruction manual. Very important that you read the instruction manual before you start using the kit so that you understand what you've got. Comes with a manual for interpreting the results of your readings so that you understand what the readings mean. Let's just put that on one side for a minute. This is the resistograph. This is an F400S with the onboard computer attached. That's an accessory which we'll talk about a little later on. Here are the power packs, 2 power packs. Let's plug one of those in. So that's the basic resistograph. Comes with a carrying strap, a shoulder strap. That's another accessory, the 45-degree adapter. These are the drills. So you get 5 drills with the kit. Just put those down here. And the wax papers for taking the readings. And a small toolkit here. Now on this part here is a serial cable which allows you to connect the onboard computer to a laptop computer to download your results.
To change the recording paper in the resistograph drill is quite easy. The paper slides in through a little semicircular hole here at the back of the drill and fits under 2 flanges that hold it in place along the recording surface. The paper is stored conveniently in this paper tray attached to the side of the drill. The tray fits with a friction fit and just snaps shut. Once you've got the piece of paper, you need to get a little crimp in the end and give it a curve and then slide it in through the opening and underneath the 2 flanges on the top of the drill. When you reach the stylus, the recording stylus, you need to give that a little bump to get it over the paper and then simply push and slide the paper into place. Once you've taken a recording and you've got the data recorded on the strip, it's a very simple matter just to pop the paper loose from the flanges and remove it. At the rear of the unit is a knurled wheel. This is used to change the setting of the resistograph drill. There are 2 settings. Number 1 for softwood trees, the coniferous trees, and number 2 for hardwood trees, deciduous trees. In order to change the setting of the wheel, the drill must be fully retracted with the stylus in this position here at the rear of the graph paper strip. To change the setting with the stylus fully retracted, you push in the wheel and you have to kind of feel your way onto the cog there that you're manipulating and switch the setting of the drill. So now the little black dot shows that we're on setting number 1, and I can push the wheel in and switch, and now I'm on setting number 2. Although the resistograph drill bit is very flexible and strong, occasionally you'll have to replace one because it's dull or because you've bent or broken it. When this occurs, you want to run the drill bit all the way out to the end till it's fully extended, and then switch the drill into neutral. Remove the inspection cap from the front of the drill, little plastic cap, and then you can use a screwdriver to activate or move the drill by hand. And looking in the little hole on the top of the slide here, you can line up the Allen screw that holds the chuck. And then the tool comes with a nice little screwdriver, fits right in there, and I could just now release the drill bit and remove it and put in a new one. It's a very simple process. The resistograph also comes equipped with a sturdy shoulder strap. It's strong enough to support the weight of the machine and be trusted. Stainless steel fittings here at the front and the back of the machine and a good quality nylon strap. This is very useful in holding the machine steady against the work surface when drilling a tree or a pole or a beam, and it's essential in arboricultural work where a climber may be operating the resistograph well off the ground in order to evaluate defects in trees. This strap is secure enough to be used to hoist the machine into the tree or hang it from a tool belt or in the tree while working. The F-series resistograph drills are powered by a stock Bosch portable drill. It runs off a rechargeable battery. Generally, it's possible to operate the drill successfully just using several batteries like this and a typical battery charger. For larger jobs or for people doing production work or pole testing, IML sells a battery adapter connection cable which allows you to put a unit like this in the battery with 2 wires coming out that you can run to a larger battery. Allows you to run the drill for long periods of time. Another accessory available for the resistograph drill is the 45-degree adapter tip. It's a cool little widget that when you insert it on the front of the drill, snap it in place, it has 2 sharp dogs allow you to place the drill against a tree in a 45-degree plane. That is, the drill is going to penetrate the tree or the pole at 45 degrees. This is used when you want to get a reading of a feature on a pole of a tree below ground. Earlier in the day, I drilled a western red cedar tree, and I recorded the information on the electronic unit attached to this F-Series drill. Back at the office, I've downloaded that file into the F-Tools software, and I've filled in the various annotation fields here on the form to show the measuring and tree data, the assessment that I found, in other words, the condition of the wood inch by inch as I went into the tree, and a comment area over here where I've written some comments specific to the analysis of this tree. It's a Windows-driven piece of software. The files can be imported into a variety of word processing programs for production of reports, and it does have the entire information from the paper strip on top of the machine reduced here so that you can convey this information clearly. Printed out, it makes a very nice addition to a report. Here we have a pole testing report that was done up in Canada showing a very decayed pole where only a few inches at the outside of the pole had any wood at all. The F-Series 150 15 centimeter drilling depth. It's a very compact tool for specialized use in building inspection. The F300 30 centimeters drilling depth. The model shown here, the F300E with the electronic unit option. The F400 drilling 40 centimeters depth. The F500, the largest of the F-Series machines with the 50 centimeter drilling depth.
We saw today that the Resistograph makes it really easy to know the internal condition of wood. It is a precise, high-tech instrument that eliminates the guesswork. So the next time you need to make a decision, don't guess and use the Resistograph.